Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials. Make sure you have admin rights and your MathWorks account credentials. Once done, verify the Matlab release, for example R2023A, and locate the license number or lick File. Now open Matlab or go to the MathWorks License Center, whichever you prefer. Both paths reach activation. Click Activate Software in Matlab or sign in at the License Center to start updating. This immediate start saves time and prevents backtracking later. Next, you perform the core steps. If you're in Matlab, choose Help, then Licensing, then Activate Software. Otherwise, sign into the License Center and select Manage for your license. Once there, enter the license number and confirm the platform, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and select Update or Download License. You'll be prompted to replace the existing license file or install a network license manager. Follow each dialog carefully, because choosing the wrong platform stops Matlab from starting. Finally, complete and verify. After installing the new license file or updating the license manager, restart Matlab so it reads the updated credentials. Make sure you check Help, Licensing, then update license status to confirm success. If you used a network license, restart the license manager service and confirm the host ID matches. If something fails, record any error code and rerun activation. Make sure to try both local reactivation and License Center download before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.